You recently moved to the US and you're wondering how to get your first credit card and start building your credit profile. Hi, I'm Melinda Akindele and I share financial related topics like money management, improving and leveraging your credit score, and general wealth building. And also it's about 2 years since I relocated from the UK to the US, so I share some of my personal experience living in the US. Today I'm going to be talking about what to consider when you start building a brand new credit profile to acquire your first credit card. Then I will tell you how I got my first and my second credit card at the very end of this video. The first one is choosing the right credit card. So your first credit card is actually the most important. In choosing a bad one can haunt you for years. What I mean is that your first credit card will eventually be the longest on your credit profile, which will account for 15%, which is the length of history impact on your credit score. And if you choose a credit card with an annual fee that down the line you end up no longer wanting, you will have to either close down the credit card, which will hurt your credit score, or you end up continuing to pay an annual fee for a card you don't want anymore just to keep your credit score intact. The second one would be getting a secure credit card. A secure credit card is simply means that you deposit money into the card issuer, also known as a security deposit, and this money is held by the credit card issuer while your account is up, similar to a security deposit given to the landlord when you